My name is Jason Marara. I give you my heart to give me your love. You decide to give me a wound in my life. A wound in my heart, a wound that caused me to cry, a wound I never forget. When you need my help, I give it to you. When you need my care, I give it to you. Because I love you. Yeah, because I really go for you. When you need my cash, I give it to you. When you need my cash, I give it to you. Hey, because I love you. Oh, because I really go for you. Jesus Christ can kill me. Jesus Christ can kill me. Jesus Christ can kill me. A wound in my heart. Thank you.